What's up guys, so we just arrived at our house a few hours ago, so I'm gonna do a really quick house tour because it's so cute. Oh my gosh. This is the outside of the house. It's super cute. We have like the corner unit, and then behind is where the pool is and the beach and stuff like that. Okay, so this is the front door. So when you first walk in, there's a first bedroom. Do you wanna go show them? He's gonna be our little model.
Welcome to my crib.
Okay, this is our crib. This is the first bedroom. Nobody's claimed it yet because it's only me, Bailey, and my mom. It's super cute, except it's right at the front door, so I didn't want to be in this room, but it's really cute.
I see end table.
Maybe they took the end table from there that's upstairs. Okay, moving on. Across from that is one of the first bathrooms. Super cute. There's a separate toilet room and a shower, which is super Gucci.
It also comes with limited edition Jade soap.
Wow, so generous. But I don't think there's any soap in here because I tried to wash my hands earlier. Okay, keep going.
No soap.
Okay, oh wait, and then across, this is a little kid's room and a cute little mug and a TV. All of the rooms have TVs in them, they're really cool. And a lava lamp. We should steal that and put that in our room. No? Not cool enough for that?
They explode.
Oh, they explode, okay. Little bench. We have laundry. Okay, and then this is the living room and kitchen. It's so beautiful. So here's the kitchen. There's a lot of seats. And then the table. Oh, I forgot that one. Does it open? No, I was just a cleaning closet. Cool. Okay, the living room is so pretty. So here's the living room, and you have a really pretty view of the water. Can you even see it? There we go. You can see the water and those little bridges you have to walk across, and then I think over there is where the actual giant pool is. And then, Bailey, do you want to test out this really cool chair that I know my dad is gonna love?
Keys to the Cadillac.
There's things on the side to change the channel on the TV and the volume. Are you comfortable? Wait, do that again. You can change your headrest. And then a TV, and then up the stairs is where the rest of the bedrooms are. And then outside is where the pool is and where my mom is. Except there's really creepy bugs that fly around everywhere. Mom, do you want to say hi? This is my beautiful mom basking in the sun. This pool looked a lot bigger in the pictures. It's really tiny, but that's okay because there's a bigger one that we can walk to. And then it's all netted in, which is nice, so no lizards get in here. Do you wanna go upstairs? So this is a pan. So that door's locked and it can't open. You're so dumb. And then this is my mom and dad's room. So there's 2 rooms with like walk-in bathrooms, so we got to pick those because we were here first. So it's a TV, a dresser, a wild Bailey, a little chair. They have a walk-in closet. And then this view over here is like over the pool, which is cute. And then they have a nice bathroom. They have like a really big vanity and a nice big mirror. And then a little tub shower. Action going on. Oh, and they have a separate bathroom too, which is nice. Okay, moving on. This is one of the other kid rooms, which is really cute. It's like a bunk bed, another TV, a little dresser, a closet, a desk. I think this is really cute. I like it. Okay, that's all in that room. And then to the right is another bathroom. There's like a million bathrooms in here, which is awesome. Every single one of us will have our own bathroom. There we go. So this bathroom just has a walk-in shower, toilet, vanity, and that's it. It's a little tiny. And then the last room is our room. So this is it. So we have our dresser, a TV, and Bailey figured out that you can put Netflix on, which is awesome. Wait, is there HBO? We can watch Game of Thrones. And then little end tables, and Bailey and I had these exact same ones from our apartment. Our bed, another end table. And then this view, it's like of the front, like where you would park, and like below our room is that first spare room. And then there's another window, And honestly, it's just like the side of a house. And you get to see a little bit of the water. And then I like this room because it had a little desk so I can do my makeup at it, which is super cute. And then the bathroom, toilet, window. This vanity is a little bit smaller, but I like how there was a desk at there that I can do my makeup at. And then we just have like a walk-in shower. I thought this one was nice. I thought my parents would probably like a bigger vanity because Bailey doesn't have that much stuff and I can just put all my stuff over there. And that's pretty much it. Are you excited? I'm so excited. I'm just gonna give a quick pan of the house one more time. So our room's at the end. Bathroom, bedroom, bedroom, mirror, stairs, and then the living room from the stairs, and my mom. And that's pretty much it. So you can subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.